In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change age on YouTube. Changing the age shown on your YouTube account is usually tied to the birth date saved in your Google account. Because YouTube uses that information for personalization and age-based settings, you want to update it carefully and make sure it matches your correct birth date. To get started, open your web browser and go to your Google account personal info page. This is the area where Google stores your basic profile details, including your birthday. You can reach it by signing into your Google account first, and then navigating to the personal information section. Once you are on the correct page, look for the basic info section, since the birthday option is located there. Next, click birthday under the basic info section. This is the link that opens the birthday settings. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the same section that shows other basic details, and then click on birthday. After you click it, you should see fields where you can enter the day, the month, and the year. This is the part that changes your age, so accuracy matters. Now that the birthday fields are visible, click the text field boxes for the day, month, or year. You will see separate boxes for each part of the date. Choose the one you need to edit, and place your cursor inside it. From there, you can remove the current numbers and enter the correct ones. If any of the boxes are already correct, you can leave them alone. The goal is to update only what is wrong and keep the rest as it is. Once you have selected the boxes you want to change, type your correct birth date numbers. Enter the day in the day field, the month in the month field, and the year in the year field. Make sure you are using the correct format that matches what the page expects, since some fields may reject invalid entries. If you are not sure about the exact date, double-check it on your own records before continuing. This helps avoid repeated edits and makes the save process smoother. After you enter the correct numbers, click Save in the bottom right corner. This button confirms your new birth date in your Google account. Look at the bottom right area of the page so you can find the Save option. Clicking Save is important because it triggers the update, rather than leaving your changes only partially applied. When you click Save, a validation prompt window should appear. This is where the system confirms that you really want to make the update. On that prompt window, click Confirm to finalize the change. Pay attention to what the prompt is asking and confirm only if the information looks correct. Once you have clicked Confirm, give the page a moment to process. In most cases, the updated birth date is applied right away, and your age-related details will reflect the new information across connected services. If you do not see an immediate update, a refresh can help, but it is best to wait briefly first so the changes can complete, and that covers everything you need to know. You have updated your Google account birthday, which is the information YouTube uses to determine your age-related settings. And that is all there is to it.